Hi, friends. During the last episode, we talk about or we practice using the phrase kabalo ka kung asaang, which means you know where is. So for today, we are going to practice or learn the phrase kabalo ka kung asa ang pinakaduol na. Again, kabalo ka kung asa ang pinakaduol na, which means do you know where is the closest place? So that place can anything, hospital, malls, palengke, etc. So if you're ready, let's. If you want to ask where is the closest wet or public market, you can ask kabalo ka kung asa ang pinakaduol na palengke. So kabalo ka, it's do you know? So kabalo ka kung asa ang pinakaduol na palengke, which means you know where is the closest public or wet market. So if you're looking for a store, you can ask the closest store, you can ask kabalo ka kung asa ang pinakaduol na tindahan. If you're looking for a restroom or a washroom, you can ask kabalo ka kung asa ang pinakaduol, the closest CR. So in the Philippines, you usually use the the acronym CR, which is a comfort room, to refer to the washroom or the restroom. So you can ask, kabalo ka kung asa ang pinakaduol na CR? So you usually ask that if you're in a mall or airport or bus terminal. If you're looking for the closest bank, you can ask, kabalo ka kung asa ang pinakaduol na bangko? Kabalo ka kung asa ang pinakaduol na bangko? Now, I want you to try practicing that phrase with the different places you have in mind. So you can try replacing the blank in the phrase with the different places. Hospital, pharmacy, mall, bus terminal, airport, etc. And until then, hangtod sa sunod. Salamat!